Welcome to Bharat Mandapam Bulletin, your trusted source for the latest updates, announcements, and highlights from India's premier global venue. Stay informed about the prestigious events, international summits, exhibitions, and cultural showcases happening right here at Bharat Mandapam. Now, without any further delay, let's quickly have a look at the events lined up for Convention Center this week. First up, on 18 July, there is Akash Champions Meet in Auditorium 2 of the Convention Center. At the same time, there is Ramayana trailer launch in Leaders Lounge and Multipurpose Hall. On 18 July again, there is Time Study Abroad Conclave and Awards in Auditorium 1. Moving on 19th of July, there is Tribute to Freedom Fighters in Auditorium 2 and meeting rooms. From 22 to 24 July, there is InfraConnect 2025 in Multipurpose Hall. On 23rd July, there is CERC Annual Day in meeting room and summit room. At the same time, there is Beauty Science X by Sonology in Auditorium 1 of the Convention Center. There is also Barkha Ritu, a musical celebration with maestros in Auditorium 2. Now let's have a look at the events lined up for exhibition halls. From 22 to 24 July, there is 7th Rail and Metro Technology Conclave and Expo 2026 in Hall number 11. On 22nd and 23rd July, there is Cosmo Home Tech Expo in Hall number 2345 ground floor. Again on 23rd and 24th July, there is Delhi Tough Ethnic Expo in Hall number 5 ground floor. Moving on, we have Marcellus International Houseware Show on 22nd and 23rd July in Hall number 1 ground floor. On 25th and 27th July, there is Government Achievements and Schemes Expo, Rising PSE Expos, International Agriculture, Horti and Organic Expo, Indian Dairy Industry and Fisheries Expo, Food and Technology Expo in Hall number 8, 9 and 10. And that's the wrap up. Follow Bharat Mandapam Bulletin and stay ahead with the timely updates, in-depth coverage and engaging stories from India's global venue.